Have you ever struggled to come up with engaging content for your blog, website, or social media? Do you want to save time and effort in creating quality content? Well, Hypotenuse AI content generator can be the solution for you. With Hypotenuse, you can easily create full-length articles and marketing content just by providing a few keywords. The AI technology used by Hypotenuse has a vast knowledge of the world, ensuring that your content is well researched and engaging. Simply go to the Hypotenuse dashboard where you will find templates for various content types such as blog, general writing, ads, social, website, and newsletter. Let's start with blog articles. Simply describe your topic in short, enter your primary keywords, select your preferred tone, and hit the button to generate a title for your blog. Choose one from the list and click on the button to create an outline for your blog. Once the outline is ready, click on Next and then click Generate Article. And as you can see, your incredible article is ready in just a few simple steps. It's that simple. Next, let's try the Summarize Content template to make your text more concise and say more with less. Paste your text, select Type, and click on Generate to get a summarized version within seconds. Now, let's move on to creating titles and description for your YouTube videos. Input your topic name, some keywords, choose your tone, and click on Generate. Within seconds, your title and description is ready to go. Finally, to create a precise bio for your company or yourself, select the bio writer template. Then enter some details such as few words about company name, some keywords, choose the point of view and click on Generate. Your instant Hypotenuse generated bio is ready for use. So, what are you waiting for? Try out Hypotenuse AI content generator today and start creating engaging content with ease.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.